Welcome back, students. Now we are going to study about the continued proportion of four numbers and the questions related to it. Question number 3B. Root A plus B plus C into B plus C plus D equals to, we have to prove under root AB plus under root BC plus under root CD. Being given that the four numbers A, B, C and D are in continued proportion, means A by B, we know that if A, B, C, D are in continued proportion means A by B equals to B by C equals to C by D equals to K. So as we have discussed earlier, if A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, remember if A, B, C, D are in continued proportion, then it means A by B equals B by C equals C by D equals to K. Then first we start with the last ratio, C by D equals to K. As C by D equals to K, on cross multiplying, it gives C equals to DK. We take it as equation number 1. And the second ratio, B by C equals to K, it implies B equals to CK, and as C equals to DK, so when we substitute DK in place of C, it is DK into K, that is DK square, means the final equation is B equals to DK square, which is equation number 2. And third, we write the first ratio, A by B. This A by B is also equal to K. All three of them are equal to K. First, C by D equals to K, so C equals to DK. B by C equals to K, so B equals to CK. And when we use the value of C equals to DK from equation 1, it is DK into K, that is DK square. So finally, B equals to DK square. All the terms are in terms of only two terms, D and K. All the terms means C is in terms of D and K is DK. B is in terms of D and K is DK square. And A by B equals to K, cross multiplying, A equals to BK. When we use B equals to DK square in this, we get A equals to DK square into K, that is A equals to DK cube. Let's take it as equation number 3. So A equals C DK cube, B equals to DK square, C equals to DK. So now we start with the left hand side of our identity from the ratio and proportion, which is under root of A plus B plus C into B plus C plus D, which is equal to square root of value of A is, you know that DK cube, plus B is DK square plus C is DK. In second bracket, value of B is dk square plus c dk plus d. So now under root of anything is common inside the bracket, first bracket. So we observe d is common, k is also common. So we put tk common from the first bracket. So the first term dk cube upon dk is only k. dd cancel out, k cube by k square. Plus second term dk square upon dk, dd cancel out, k square by k is k. Plus third term dk, and dk is already common, so k square plus k plus 1 inside the square root. And then in second bracket we observe that d is common. So when we take d common, next bracket it is again k square plus k plus 1 equals to, whenever you not get anything, any line, you can ask directly in comment box. So it is then dk cube plus dk square plus dk, from where we have taken dk common. So first term is k square, second term is k plus 1. In second bracket, d is common, so it is also giving k square plus k plus 1. So square root of d into d, d square k, and in second bracket k square plus k plus 1 twice, that is whole square, as it is the product. K square plus k plus 1 into k square plus k plus 1 is k square plus k plus 1 whole square. D into d, d square, k is alone. So this d square is inside the square root, so it goes outside the square root, becomes d. Second bracket becomes k square plus k plus 1 root k equals to, so d into k square plus k plus 1 root k is there, and we have to bring root ab plus root bc plus root cd, means 3 separate roots. So first we open the bracket, multiply this d with k square plus this d with k plus d with 1 into root k equals to, open the bracket, dk square into root k plus dk into root k plus d into root k equals to, now write all the terms inside the square root. So d becomes d square, k square becomes k to the power 4. This root k remains k. When there is multiplication, we can write all the terms inside the square root by squaring them. Square of d is d square. The square of k square is k to the power k to the power 4, and square root of k is square root of k only. Plus again, this d is written as d square, k is written as k square, and this k is k, plus square root of this d again becomes d square. So there are 3 roots, as we have to bring 3 square roots, sum of 3 square roots in right hand side. So we have converted them to 3 square roots. Now d square k to the power 4 into k, we can write d k, as we have to bring ab, and a we know that is dk cube. So dk cube into dk, is it satisfying it? D square means d into d, k to the power 4 into k is k to the power 5, means k cube into, actually it is dk square, it must be dk square. Why? B equals to dk square, so root a into b will be the first term. In second, d into k square into d into k, we know that dk square is b and dk is c, so it will give root bc, plus root cd is the third term, so we can write dk into d. Now this is dk cube is a, dk square is b, so root ab plus dk square is b, dk is c, so bc plus root dk is c into d. So root ab plus root bc plus root cd, which is right hand side, hence proved. So no need to copy, you can solve it yourself if you have listened all the rules. and have followed the principle which I am discussing behind each question. So no need to copy. I am telling you again, just practice it again and again. Don't learn it. Don't copy it. Look at the videos again and again. Okay, everyone.